Why did I put this together? I put this together because I have lived an incredibly difficult life. So since I was born into poverty. I was born to a single teenage mother who did not have a support system. And I had to kind of fight my way through life by myself. And as you can imagine, I found myself in lots of situations that not only a child should never be in, but also a teenager. And then, of course, trying to figure things out, and then society. And there's all these layers that we'll kind of dig through um, as part of the spiritual journey, which is why I have empowered myself by calling myself a spiritual warrior. Hi. If you like the content that I create, please do make sure that you like, share, and subscribe. And check out my website, naturallyinspiredmedia.com, and some of the other videos that I have produced here.